the frozen mist. A car's old heart not meant for this. Metal and wood in strange embrace. The sky